High above the fields lived a tiny kite named Flippy. Flippy was smaller, lighter, and weaker than all the other kites. Whenever the wind blew, the big kite soared high, while Flippy shook and fell back down. One day, a huge kite flying festival was announced. Colorful kites filled the sky, red, gold, blue, sparkling ones, glittering ones. Everyone laughed at Flippy. "You can't fly. Stay on the ground," the big kites teased. Flippy felt sad, but deep inside, he whispered, "Maybe today I can prove myself." When the festival started, a strong storm wind suddenly hit the valley. The big kites panicked and began to fall. Their long tails tangled. Their paper wings tore. But Flippy was small, and the small ones bent without breaking. The wind lifted Flippy gently and carried him higher, higher, higher. Soon he was the only kite left flying in the sky, shining like a tiny star. Children cheered, "Look! The small kite won! Flippy won!" Flippy floated proudly. For the first time, he felt brave. The moral: you don't have to be big to reach great heights. You only need courage.